One of our favorite trips on the bus was probably to Medicine Bow. On the way there, when I went on my trip, we played games, we we talked, we sang songs. It was really fun. I love being on the bus.
Yeah. So my favorite trip was when I went to the zoo, and I went with some other friends, Danny and Miles, which are behind the camera, and um, we saw some animals. I especially saw the tiger because that's one of my favorite animals.
We like going on the bus to Arbor Terrace and making crafts with them. And we like to share out cookies with them, and we like to sing with them. And I like going in the garden with them and doing stuff with them in the garden.
So one of my trips was to the bakery. We made bread there, and I got to feel what it feels like if it doesn't have flour, if it doesn't have water, and if it doesn't have salt. Our favorite trip on the bus was Medicine Bow.
It was really fun, and people were putting signs up to the bus and getting trucks to honk at us. And yeah.
I just really like going on the bus because it's like a sense of like we're going on a school field trip. This is fun. This is cool. I love this. So I like being with everybody else and laughing with them. So overall, I think it's a good thing to have a school bus. Yeah.